here is your easel in nature-friendly pack. You can see just how small it is by looking on the back. Inside are instructions with all you need to know, a cleaning wipe, and of course, the star of the show. The leaflet is packed with important advice on installing and using your brand new device. Just turn your phone over and peel off the paper. If you stick it on lightly, you can move it a bit later. Then gasp with delight at how this thin little stand makes viewing your phone better and is now safe in your hand.